Hi, Toucans. This is your book of the week, okay? So, livro da semana, your book of the week. The title of your book is Ice, Gelo, Ice. And we see on the cover page, Ice, okay? So that is the title of our book. If we open our book, we have the title again, another picture of ice, and our focus question. Remember that our focus question is really important because it tells us what we should be focusing on. Ok? Nossa pergunta aqui é muito importante, que é nossa pergunta de foco. Então, significa o que a gente deve focar quando a gente está lendo. Ok? And our focus question is, what is ice? O que é gelo? What is ice? What happens to get ice? Okay? And then that's what we're going to think about when we are reading. Okay? When we are reading, we're going to think about this question. What is ice? The next thing we have is words to know. These are the words that will be in the text. Essas são as palavras dentro do texto que a gente tem que saber, okay? Our first word is form. And form is a verb. É o verbo formar, okay? Our next word is freezes. That is another verb, congelar. Okay, our next word is ice, the title of the book. That is not a verb, that is a noun, substantivo. And it is the noun in Portuguese for gelo. This is the word slippery. Now, slippery is not a noun and it's not a verb. It is an adjective. An adjective describes the noun. Descreve o substantivo. Okay? And this would be the word escorregar. Okay? When something is slippery, it's easy to fall. É fácil cair. Okay? Slippery. So I'll give you an example. The slippery street. Okay, so that means that it's a street that's easy to fall on. The next word is water. We know that word, agua. That is a noun, okay? And the next word is wet, okay? Wet. So we could say the wet shirt, okay? If I put water on my shirt would be wet, molhado, okay? All right, moving on, we're going to read our book. Remember when you are reading that you are following along with your finger, seguindo com o dedinho. Não pode fazer atividade sem ler o livro pelo menos uma vez, okay? All right, once we're finished reading, we're going to close our book and we're going to do our activity of the day. This is your activity of the day. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your name right here. And here it says the word cause. And here it says the word effect. So what I want you to do, cause and effect. So what you need to do is you need to look in the book and look for the why. Why is something happening? So, for example, a cause of the sun and the rain together, a causa do sol e a chuva juntos, the effect, o efeito seria arco-íris. Okay? The effect would be a rainbow, arco-íris. So, you're going to think of some causes, as causas de alguma coisa, e o que acontece por causa dessa causa. Então, por exemplo, eu acabei de dar o sol e a chuva juntos, isso é meu exemplo na minha cabeça. O sol e a chuva juntos vai criar o efeito que é o arco-íris. Então, você tem que pensar quais são as causas no livro e o porquê e o que acontece por causa dessas causas. Okay? Think about the causes in the book, and then think about why. What happens because of those causes, and that will be the effect. Now, I have some advice for you. Tenho conselho para você. We have a cause and effect poster in our room. Okay, it's in the back of the room, and you can look at it if you need help with cause and effect. Se ainda não entender muito bem, tem o cartaz no finalzinho na nossa parede, na nossa sala, e pode dar uma olhada para ver o que é causa e o que é efeito. Okay? So, that's what you're doing on this side. You can draw or you can write. If you draw, I want labels on your pictures. Se você desenhar, eu quero labels nos seus desenhos. On the other side, you're going to read these sentences here. You're going to read them. And then you are going to underline, bota uma linha, underline the nouns. Remember that a noun, subjuntivo, is a person, is a place, lugar, or is a thing, uma coisa. Uma pessoa, um lugar, uma coisa, subjuntivo. It's called a noun. So you're going to underline all of the nouns, and then you're going to write your own sentence, okay? You're going to have your own sentence, and you're going to underline the noun. So you're going to write your own sentence. You can use some of the nouns here, but here you're going to write my sentence, okay? So the first thing you're going to do, read your book, okay? The second thing you're going to do, cause and effect. Draw your pictures or write your words. The next thing you're going to do, underline the nouns and write your own sentence, okay? If you have any questions, you can watch this video again. You can ask another toucan, or you can come and ask me. Don't forget that the poster is in the back of the room that can help you with cause and effect if you need it, okay? All right, good luck.